An introduction to ChatGPT exploring OpenAI. Discovering ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? As you have seen, everything in technology nowadays contains artificial intelligence, AI, but why? Well, artificial intelligence is a more capable version of human intelligence possessed by machines. It was created by humans to make their tasks easy and also more effective. For example, the famous artificial intelligence Siri is used to call other people without you actually touching your device. The unbelievable journey had brought us to this very day. Where does ChatGPT come from? To answer this question, let's look at OpenAI. The American artificial intelligence research laboratory created ChatGPT. The CEO of OpenAI is Samuel Harris Altman, also known as Sam Altman. He is the current CEO of OpenAI. Elon Musk was one of the co-founders of OpenAI, but he stepped down from the board of directors and he now no longer owns a stake in the company. Why ChatGPT is so popular nowadays? ChatGPT using his intelligence helped a lot of people earn a bunch of money by doing their work for free, and also helped a lot of students in schools and universities with their studies, by becoming their study teacher himself. From creating a blog to ideas to start up your own business, ChatGPT can answer all the questions. ChatGPT is making the life of people much easier as it gives you the best answer you can have on the internet. Might sound unbelievable, but you should try using ChatGPT before thinking that way. Maybe it will change your opinion on artificial intelligence, AI. Thank you for watching. If you know where ChatGPT is heading, comment down below. Leave a like if you enjoy the video and don't forget to share it with your friends.